Once you have downloaded the suitable app on either your iPhone or Android device, create an account with your Montreat login credentials. All students will receive these login credentials by mail. Once logged in, select the menu in the bottom right corner and open your achievements. At the top of the achievements page, you'll see a badge that says Journey to Fall 2023. Click this badge and begin work on your list. Select an item on the list and follow the prompts to complete it. Once the form is submitted for that step, it will be moved to the Pending Approvals section. Someone from Montreat College will review and approve your documents. If we have any issues, we will contact you. Once the item has been approved, it will be moved to the Completed section. We ask that you please allow at least 3 business days for us to review and approve these documents. You can return to your dashboard at any time to review your progress.